From Buchenwald, they took us also by open wagons to a place called Colditz near Leipzig, and there by that was the time when I was separated from my younger brother. I never knew that I would ever find him. So we were in Colditz till the spring, early spring of 1945, and we were walking one way. Nobody knew where we were walking, and as a rule, I used to like to walk in the front. So I didn't want to see what was going on the back, but I did hear shots. People that couldn't walk because we were wearing wooden shoes, and the snow would stick to our shoes, and it wasn't easy to walk. And some people just couldn't make it. So when you heard a shot, a single shot, you knew somebody was the end of this person. So we were walking in one direction, and nobody knew where we were walking, and at nighttime if we were able to get a barn, they would take us into the barn. We would sleep in the barn, and there was hay, there was straw. It was at least we were a little warm. And in the morning, when everybody came out of the barn, they would machine gun the barn, inside of the barn, in case somebody was hiding in there. And there were nights that we slept on the ground. I had enough sense to take my blanket with me and curl up in the blanket and sleep on the ground. And of course I was so scared somebody shouldn't come and tore it off my back. So we were walking, and at that time also there was they didn't have any more food for us. I had actually the fortune of carrying. A German soldier asked me to carry his rucksack, and I carried his rucksack during the day, and he gave me a piece of bread, and that was great. And then I myself got very tired of carrying his rucksack with all kind of junk he had in his back. I don't know what he had there. So I used to share it with a friend, an acquaintance. So that was. So we were walking, and we are just about coming into a town, and we don't know what it is, and by the gate, I gave back them the rucksack, and I went inside the barracks already, and that's the last time I saw of that German soldier.